everyone, welcome back to Recipes by Aisha, and today in Aisha's kitchen I will be making the delicious and special breakfast recipe potato curry with puri. It is a traditional Pakistani dish and we normally eat it over the weekend or on special occasions. So let's start the recipe with boiling potatoes in hot water till they are half done. Then pour some oil in a pan and add nigella seeds and stir fry for 30 seconds. Have to add half-boiled potatoes in cube shaped and stir fry them for a couple of minutes before you add the spices. Let me know in the comments below from which country are you watching this recipe. So once you have added the spices, give it a mix properly to combine all the spices and the potatoes and stir fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then add water to cook the potatoes completely. Give it a mix and then cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium to low flame so that they will not burn, and keep stirring in between. Stir again and dry the excess water and then use masher to slightly mash all the potatoes, which will give you exact restaurant style potato curry recipe. Now you can check the consistency of the curry. Once you are satisfied with the thick consistency of the curry, then you can switch off your stove and add pickle to your curry. You can use any pickle like mango or lemon or mixed pickle. I'm using mango pickle here. Give it a mix in the whole curry to have the even taste all over. You can eat this curry with paratha or puri or flatbread of your choice. I'm using frozen puri here, but you can also make puri at home and fry them in hot oil. Garnish your potato curry with green chilies and coriander leaves and serve it with puri and enjoy your breakfast. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried this recipe and how much have you liked it.